Swathiramya, Assistant Professor, AIDS Department from SNS College of Engineering. You are here with me in NLP lecture series, and we were discussing the case study of sentiment analysis of a cat. And previous videos I was explaining about how we have to do the sentiment analysis by step way. In this video I am going to explain the same sentiment analysis with some examples so that you can understand in a better way. Okay, as I told in the previous video, let me go through the small review of the previous video so that you can understand what I have been went through in the last video. In the last video I have told you that we are going to analyze the review of a CAF. Okay, we have to categorize their review based on their sentiments, that is whether they are getting the positive review or negative review or neutral review. Okay, so first step will be the data collection. We have to collect the data, we have to collect the reviews from various platforms. That's the first step. Second step will be pre-processing. We have to remove the unwanted information like username, timestamp, and also the special characters which is available, which will be in all the text. All those things we will do in data pre-processing, and also we will we have to convert the text into the lowercase. This is the second step we used to do. Third step, tokenization. The sentence will be divided into small tokens. This is also very important step that you have to do for processing in NLP. And the fourth step will be we have to remove the stop words. Okay, the stop word is nothing but the words like which does not make much sense in the meaning. For example, there is and those words are removed from the sentences because it does not have any mean value with the sentence. So we don't need to take these all words. So we are removing these words. And the fifth thing, we have to divide the words according to their sentiments. If the word comes under positive, it can comes under positive or negative or neutral. Okay, based on their emotions, we categorize the words. That is sentiment classification. Then we are giving the score, that is aggregate sentimental score. For every word, if it is positive, we can give 1. If it is negative, we can give -1. It's like that. We can give the score for each word, and we have to sum all the scores all together, and we have to put final sentiment analysis result. Based on the score, we can say that whether the restaurant or cafe will have higher score or lower score. These are all the basic steps that we have been seen in the previous video. In this video, I told you I am just going to explain some example with that. Okay, consider that we are taking one review. Okay, the cafe had a cozy atmosphere and delicious coffee, but the service was very slow. Okay, so now we are going to process this review based on step by step. Okay, first let us take data processing. What we have to do here is we have to remove the punctuations and convert the text to the lowercase. As I told you, you can see from the PPT, it's very clear. We are making all the words into the smaller case, and also we remove the punctuation, commas, all those things from the sentence. Okay, we have commas. I have removed the commas, and we have full stops. We have removed the full stops, which comes after the slow. Okay, this is data pre-processing. Next step will be obviously tokenization. In tokenization, what we do, we have to split up the sentence into single word, that is single token. So yes, I am splitting the whole sentence into the single word. The cafe had a cozy atmosphere and delicious coffee, but the service was slow. We have to divide all the words separately. That is called tokenization. We split up the sentence into the same individual words. This is called tokenization. Then we are moving to the next step, that is stop word removal. Okay, obviously what all the stop word we have seen in the sentence was the. We have to remove the had, a, cozy, and, but, the, was. All the stop words has been removed and the other word has been put together. See, other words like calf, cozy, atmosphere, delicious, coffee, service, slow. We removed this top one unwanted word from the sentence. Okay. Next we have to sentiment classification. Assign the sentiment score for each words. Yes, we are going to give this code for each words. Okay. Let's take the first word, calf. Calf will have calf. It's a calf. It is not a positive or negative command. So we put under neutral. So cozy, cozy. Then it's a positive. So we put under positive comment. Atmosphere, yeah, this is also positive. So we put under positive. Delicious, positive. Coffee, it's a positive. Service, neutral. Slow, which means it's a negative. It's not positive or neutral. It's a negative comment. So we put in the negative. Okay. Then we have to aggregate the sentiment scores. The review contains 3 positive words. Obviously, the review has 3 positive words and 1 negative words and 2 neutral words. Yeah. So we have to take into that account. So based on this, final sentiment analysis result will be there. Considering the overall sentiment expressed in the review, it would likely to be classified as a neutral or slightly positive, depending on the specific criteria for aggregation and classification. We have more number of positive words, so we can conclude it as a positive, slightly positive, and we have a neutral, 2 neutral, only 1 negative word is there. So we can put as a neutral. It's a neutral calf, and we can have slightly positive. Okay, in this way we have to analyze. This way we are analyzing the sentiment analysis of the calf. I think this example demonstrates the step-by-step process of sentiment analysis for the calf review. Hope you understand what I mean to say, and thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.